cannot develop a nation without securing what we eat, grow what we eat, and eat what we grow. You cannot be free until you control what you eat. So I went buy a farm and start farming. I started farming, and I knew through farming that not only I have to farm, but I have to build an institute and start training young farmers, making sure we turn farming attractive. Because when I started to farm, my own family and friends start to laugh at me and start reminding me that farming is embarrassing for us. You cannot leave Washington and come here to do farming, because in Africa, farming means poverty and misery. We are working now with thousands of young Africans here from Senegal to turn farming sexy, so young people know that farming is life, and we have to farm to change the culture of this continent.